Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ghor Publishers. Our slogan is that we are redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. I am Noor Ahmed and I will be teaching you Computer Science for Grade 8. Dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम अपने यूनिट नंबर 3 माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल की एक्सरसाइज को कवर करेंगे. So students, the first question of our exercise is MCQs based question, and the first MCQ is which of the following is not spreadsheet software? A. Microsoft Word, B. Microsoft Excel, C. Google Sheets, D. Calc XIS, and the correct answer is A. Microsoft Word. Second MCQ is spreadsheet software is mainly used for A. Painting, B. Writing letters, C. Calculations, D. Image processing, and the correct answer is C. Calculations. Third MCQ is in Microsoft Excel, data is organized in form of dash and dash. A. Fields and subfields, B. Tables and subtables, C. Diagrams and graphs, and D. Rows and columns. And the correct answer is D. Rows and columns. Fourth MCQ is in a spreadsheet there are dash number of rows. A. 98,576, B. 10,48,576, C. 1,18,576, or D. 1,28,576, and the correct answer is B. 10,48,576. Fifth MCQ is in a spreadsheet there are dash number of columns. A. 14,384, B. 15,383, C. 16,384, or D. 17,383, and the correct answer is C. 16,384. Sixth MCQ is spreadsheet is also called A. Logbook, B. Workbook, C. Common book, D. None, and the correct answer is B. Workbook. Seventh MCQ is name of application and name of spreadsheet is displayed in A. Menu bar, B. Taskbar, C. Info bar, or D. Title bar, and the correct answer is D. Title bar. Eighth MCQ is in Microsoft Excel, formula starts with A is equal to sign, B. exclamation mark, C. straight line, or D. slash, and the correct answer is A is equal to sign. Ninth MCQ is dash function is used for addition of data. A. add, B. plus, C. addition, or D. sum, and the correct answer is D. sum. 10th MCQ is dash function is used to count number of cells in cell range. A. count, B. submit, C. addition, D. average, and the correct answer is A. count. अब स्टूडेंट्स हम इस यूनिट के आंसर क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज पर्पस ऑफ स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर, and the answer is spreadsheet software can be used for various reasons, but their primary purpose is to organize and categorize data into a logical format. Once the data is entered into the spreadsheet, you can use it to help organize and grow the business. Second question is what is cell range in Microsoft Excel, and the answer is all the cells between starting and ending cell. Third question is what do you mean by active cell in Microsoft Excel, and the answer is the cell in which we are currently working and applying function is called active cell. Fourth question is write down uses of Microsoft Excel in everyday life, and the answer is Microsoft Excel is crucial for our today's life. It also plays a significant role in education. Students can learn many essential things from Excel such as data visualization, faster calculations, organization and reconstruction, filtering, planning and many more. Excel will help to manage the bulk amount of data and information effortlessly. Users can arrange data in the spreadsheet using graphic tools, pivot tables and formulas. Fifth question is how does ribbon help in performing tasks in Microsoft Excel, and the answer is Excel ribbon is a technical term for the row of tabs above formula bar. Excel ribbon is a strip of buttons and icons in Excel workbook window where Excel commands are located. The buttons and icons of Excel ribbon are grouped in different tabs based on the category of their functionalities. Clicking a tab in the tab list changes the tab of Excel ribbon. Sixth question is write the usage of Quick Access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. Quick Access toolbar is located above Excel ribbon. It is used to hold commonly used commands. Quick Access toolbar is always visible regardless of which tab is selected. By default, the Quick Access toolbar contains the save, undo and redo button. The Quick Access toolbar is customizable so that we can add commonly used command there. Seventh question is differentiate between formula and function in Microsoft Excel. And the answer is a formula is an expression written by the user to calculate values. It can include numbers, cell references, and mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. For example, if you want to add the values in cell A1 and B1, you can write the formula is equal to A1 plus B1. Formula are useful when you want to perform specific or custom calculations. On the other hand, a function is a predefined command in Excel that performs a specific task. Function make complex calculation easier and faster. For example, to add the values in cell A1 to A5, instead of writing is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, you can simply use the function is equal to sum brackets A1 colon A5. Some commonly used functions include sum, average, max, and min. Eighth question is, for which purpose do we use date function in Microsoft Excel? And the answer is, we use date function in Microsoft Excel to create a valid date using the year, month, and day values. Ninth question is, discuss the usage of graph in Excel. And the answer is, Microsoft Excel provides different types of charts that suit our purposes. Based on data type, we can create a chart for our data. We can also change the chart type later. Excel offers the following major chart types. Number 1, line chart, pie chart, stock chart, column chart, bar chart, bubble chart, surface chart, and combo chart. 10th question is, differentiate between ceiling and floor function in Microsoft Excel. The ceiling function rounds a number up to its nearest multiple of significance. The nearest highest multiple of 5 for 35.316 is 40. Contrary to the ceiling function, the floor function rounds a number down to the nearest multiple of significance. The nearest lowest multiple of 5 for 35.316 is 35. So students, जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारी एक्सरसाइज का वो प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है जिनको आप अपने किसी भी डिवाइस, लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल डाउनलोड करके सॉल्व कर सकते हो और उनके आंसर्स ड्राइव कर सकते हो. सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. इस लेक्चर में हमने अपने यूनिट नंबर 3 की एक्सरसाइज को कवर की है. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑनवर्ड्स हम अपने यूनिट नंबर 4 को स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.